Greetings from Terra Luna Insider once more. People are starting to expect the Binance burning on Terra Luna Classic, which has caused the price to rise. Over the past 24 hours, the price has increased by almost 10%, and it is currently trading at around 33,000 points per coin, testing the resistance that was at 35,000 points per coin. And everyone is waiting to see what happens next while they are seated here. Really, the burns won't be here for more than a day. Guys, it depends on where you live, but we'll find out these burn statistics tomorrow night. Since they are attempting to do the math, it appears to be doing quite well so far, at least in terms of analyst or investor expectations that are now out there. What will the costs be given that Terra Luna Classic sees daily trades worth billions of dollars and that the Binance platform alone sees daily trades worth hundreds of millions of dollars? They're going to be great, we can assure you of that. Okay, they should be larger than anything we've seen thus far, or will be. In addition, we want to compare it to when the burning tax was implemented because we have talked about managing expectations and all of that. Therefore, it appears that you are interested in it. Let's start now. Hello everyone, I'm Clay. To make 2022 the finest year ever, we are here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you click this button to do so. Affiliate and become a bro every day that we are here. We work together to expand our portfolios. In addition, if you've never invested before, you may not know where or how to acquire stocks and cryptocurrencies. The description below includes a link to Weibo. You guys get at least 6 free stocks and up to 12 free stocks, a $1 crypto transaction for every $5 you deposit, and free crypto after account setup is quite straightforward. Then, you have to put coin in the description if you want a crypto-only exchange where you can buy and sell Terra Luna Classic, and they give incentives to traders who are more active. Therefore, the more active you are on the site, the more prizes you can earn. Additionally, there is Binance International Finance down there that you should definitely look out if you're a global trader and want to help these causes. But folks, let's talk about this because we've noticed a trend over the past week and Nance was trading about 700 million Terra Luna Classic each day as volume fell. Then it changed to 500,400,300. We're back, guys, after the previous 24 hours. On the Binance platform, Terra Luna Classic is the second most traded cryptocurrency, surpassing Ethereum and coming in second only to Bitcoin. The most recent figures for the previous 24 hours. Which currency you use there will determine the answer. However, you have Terra Luna Classic versus BUSD. You also have roughly 400 or 440 seconds. Therefore, 440, or roughly $450 million, of Terra Luna Classic are being exchanged in Seralin on the Nance platform. BUSD against a vintage we believe USDT against the Terra Luna Classic. We still have 100 more and $40 million. We won't go over all the numbers again if we perform the math now. You guys have already watched a ton of videos. However, if you perform the calculations using the typical trading charge, typical at burn, and other factors, you will arrive at a figure of almost another billion Terra Luna Classic that would have been burned over the previous 24 hours. We are still on the conservative side, guys. Okay, so we are still of the opinion that we won't be burning 20 or 30 billion as many folks are trying to suggest. However, if we maintain a reasonable level of anticipation and they maintain a prudent level, and all of a sudden we are shocked because we are still bullish, you guys grasp that part, right? We can have a positive outlook while remaining realistic and prudent. But if all of a sudden our expectations are exceeded, I would find that encouraging. If we are overly optimistic about the Terra Luna Classic burns and we are sitting there believing that Binance will burn $50 billion this week, then, unexpectedly, they burn 10 to 15 billion, which is still a staggering amount. We're going to be let down. So, that's basically what managing expectations entail. And because you guys are all here for the burning tax, we're going to discuss this. Right? If you weren't, the burning tax just recently become effective. We are unsure if 2 weeks have passed in total. However, the burning tax for the Terra Luna class is revealed. And people start to look forward to, well, we might be witnessing a daily Terra Luna Classic burn of 5 million, 5 billion, or 10 billion. And we're getting somewhere around 300 million. So that you guys can look back and see on the chart, folks started to believe that this was going to take too long once the burn tax was announced, and they realized that we were burning about 300 million a day. These figures are insufficient. Since we won't ever raise these figures, the cost of Terra Luna Classic decreased. That is not what we want to happen with finance. We want to see a floor price established above which we will not budge. There will be many who argue that burning through $1 billion each day in money is too slowly. People are going to enter. If that is the only thing you are viewing, it is real. You are aware that cutting the supply in half will take 20 years if you burn $1 billion a day. The burn is the multiplier, the gains multiplier, the real utility, returning to the blockchain, and real demand is going to build from utility, while the burns are just multiplying our gains and giving us even more money. Now that's all wonderful and fine. Go watch the prior video that we did. So everything depends on perspective. People might be let down if we receive these irrational expectations, such as the notion that we will burn through the 20, 30, 40 billion Terra Luna Classic through financial means alone. However, if you look at the Coin platform, they have not yet made any announcements, despite financially burning $1 billion. KuCoin has not spoken as Coin. We don't know if they'll be burning trade commissions, or if they'll be doing anything at all. And if we include them, they have transacted Terra Luna Classic trades totaling $96 million over the past 24 hours. Since it is incredible. Additionally, if they start burning trading fees, their daily Terra Luna Classic burn rate may increase to 200 to 300 million. You might be arguing that's insufficient at this point. Well, 300 million, plus 300 from the burning tax, plus perhaps 1 billion from finance, and potentially 1 billion from all other trading platforms if they start to join. Suddenly, those numbers start to add up. You might still believe that this is the end of this, but here's the lovely part. There is no possible method for us to reach any burns or prices higher than these on any of the exchanges on board. And we continue to burn 2 billion every day. Guys, keep that bright side in mind if the price declines. We burn more if the price falls, but we don't give up. So, if all of a sudden, the price of a coin on Terra Luna Classic is 3,000, 30,000, 35,000 points per coin, it has just decreased to 2,000, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,000 points per coin. Every day, we burn 5 billion. These figures are now definitely conceivable. However, we think that the lesson of the story is that Nance will probably announce these burns on Tuesday night or Monday night into Tuesday. Once that time arrives. Yes, feel the excitement, but keep it grounded. And realize or keep in mind that losses are a multiplier for gains. And given that we are here to develop a blockchain and to create growth and value, these burns will only assist the supply side and the top line that we infer from comparing the market cap to the number of coins in circulation. Write down your Binance burn expectations in the comments section below right now if you're excited. We enjoy observing such occurrences. Keep the crowd enthused. Keep everyone in and keep having fun, and of course, if that button over there still says subscribe, be sure to hit it to join us and become a pro. Every day that we are present, we work together to expand our respective portfolios. Claro83, have a fantastic day, everyone, wherever you go. Will KuCoin and Finance in the description everywhere you get 6 to 12 free stocks on.